What's up guys, welcome back to the series, and in today's video we'll be talking about the first primitive animation, squash and stretch. Okay, so I already got a list of what I'm going to be animating, so I'm not going to waste your time talking. Here's the techniques I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be drawing the bottom lines, then the guidelines for the animation, the squash and stretch, the in-betweens, and then the final animation for that project. So here's my walking time lapse. Hope you learned something new from this.